Yes, good morning, students. Let us continue chapter number 2, environmental pollution. In the last 3 videos, we have discussed the 3 different types of pollution, that is water, air and land pollution. Now, this is the last video of this chapter, and the last topic is noise pollution. Now, noise pollution. What are the sources or from where this noise pollution is created? What are the different factors that create this noise pollution? The harmful effect of noise pollution and the different types of steps that we can take in order to reduce or minimize noise pollution, that all we will discuss in this video. So, let us start our video with the sources of noise pollution, from where and which are the sources that are responsible for this type of pollution. First of all, industries are there and vehicles, and the sounds that are produced by the vehicles and the machines, heavy machines that are installed in industries, produces so much of loud noise that it leads to noise pollution. We know that up to a certain limit the noise is bearable, but beyond that we cannot bear that noise or that sound, we can say. So, the very loud noise that is created by the machines running in the industries create this noise pollution. Also, the various types of vehicles that are running on fossil fuels, subsequent blowing of horns in a traffic jam leads to noise pollution. Also, during festivals and celebrations, the noise of loudspeaker, DJ bands, etc., all these are played during festivals and on a various special occasions. During celebrations, the loudspeakers or the music that is created, or the sound or the loud noise that is created during these special occasions and festivals, all these are the sources of noise pollution. Also, during some festivals like Diwali and all that, we burst firecrackers, and the loud noise that is created by the crackers leads to the noise pollution. Subsequent blowing of horns, regular honking of horns, and also different sort of noise that is created in our environment leads to noise pollution. So, what are the effects or harmful effects of this noise pollution? First, deafness and affects mental and emotional health also. Now, noise pollution leads to deafness. The people, they loses the hearing capacity, and it also affect their mental and emotional condition, or emotional and mental health. That is also people become unstable and they become irritated because of excessive noise or due to loud noise. And these are some of the harmful effects of noise pollution. Certain insect and organisms, there are some insects and organisms which are very useful to us, useful to environment. They die because of this excessive noise or noise pollution. Now, what are the measures or what we can do in order to reduce this noise pollution. So, we should not play musical instruments very loudly. During festivals and after the victory in games, we play musical instruments very loudly and burst firecrackers. So, we should not do that sort of things. We should keep in mind that it will affect our environment and it will lead to noise pollution. So, we should refrain from doing that. We should not play musical instruments very loudly. Do not burst firecrackers that produces loud noise. Also, the rules regarding PUC, that means pollution under control, that should be implemented strictly, in a strict manner that should be implemented. Also, vehicles should be serviced at regular intervals. That will also reduce the risk of noise pollution. People themselves should become aware of dangers of noise pollution. All in all, we can say that if people are conscious and aware about different types of pollution, then ultimately they will follow those measures which will reduce all the types of pollution. So, in this chapter, we are concluding this chapter with this topic, and we have discussed the different types of pollution, and as a citizen we should become aware of different threats of different types of pollution and become aware of our responsibilities towards society. In the next video, we will meet with the next chapter.